Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'll be showing you how to open up a bank account on Chase Bank online. But before we learn to do that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the like button. So let's get started. So first you go to your webpage or Google, and then you search for Chase Bank. And chase.com is the official website, so you click there. So once you're taken to the official web page, you can see there are many options of what kind of bank account you want. Whether you want a business account, or you just want credit cards, checkings account, savings account, or so you choose the one that's best fit for you. Let's say you want a savings account, you click on that. There are more options, you choose from many options. And so there are many different types of a savings account. You choose the one that's fit for you, and you click on Open Now option. So once you do that, you'll be taken to this another web page where you will fill in your information to open up a bank account, like the normal information that you fill normally when you go to an actual bank to open up an account. So once the page gets loaded, you will need your social security number and your driver's license or state ID for identification, and you have to set up your account preferences, and then you will start using your new account. So that's very easy 3-step procedure. So if you are a former Chase customer, you will select yes, because you will have pre-formed data that the bank already has. So if you're not, you click on no, and if you want to open up a joint applicant, you have to add the owner here. So then once you select that, you click on next, and so here you will enter your personal details, your first name, middle name, your last name, and if you have any suffix here like junior or senior. And then if you are US citizens, you will say yes, and if you're not, you will click on no, and there are many options down there as well. You'll enter your date of birth here. You'll enter your social security number, because they will need you to verify your information, and you will choose the type of ID, either your driver's license or your ID number, driver's license or state ID, and you'll enter your ID number here. And then you will choose the state where you issued your ID. You'll also enter your permanent address here, and you will enter your zip code. And then you will have to enter your email address and your phone number over here. And these are the terms and conditions of the bank. And then you will check this box if your information is correct. So, and then you will click on next. And after that, you will just set up a few account preferences, and then you'll be good to go. That's very easy to open up a bank account online. I hope this video is of help to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos, and thanks for watching. Bye.